Hey, what's up, folks? I just wanted to make a quick video talking about Miss Fresh. I don't want to make this video too long, but I did just want to go over a few details. There's actually a link below this video. If you click that, it'll take you to the web page you're currently looking at, which is the main site for Miss Fresh. The number one, let me just say this, the number one reason that you would want to get a service like this is basically convenience. One, it saves you a ton of time because you don't have to go shopping. That's a really big thing for me, at least. You know, the last thing I want to do is have to go shopping for foods or whatever after work. And then to me, the other benefit is it removes a lot of stress and mental anxiety for me because I don't have to plan what I want to eat. The recipes, it's basically a recipe service. It's a food service, but they send you recipes, not just food where you prepare your own recipes out of it, but they send you about 13, there's about 13 recipes to pick from each week. So there's a lot of diversity of variety in the food, which is that's the other thing that people love. That's the main thing people love. What I love is the fact that I don't have to go shopping and I don't have to worry about what I'm going to make or worry about what I'm going to make and then go shopping for those ingredients after a long day of work already. So that to me, that's my favorite part. But like I said, there's a lot of variety in the food and the food tastes great. The recipes that they put together are recipes that you already love. There are some very unique additions, but for the most part, everything tastes amazing. So that's a thing that you would also have to worry about when food is being sent to you and you're not picking it yourself. Will it have flavor, especially if it's supposed to be healthy, right? So that's the other thing, and the main worry is like the delivery. When sometimes the deliveries arrive, they've arrived a day early sometimes. But the good thing is that they are packed with ice gel packs. So and they last about 12 hours. So even if it arrives early and you're at work when you arrive home, it'll still be cold and fresh. You'll still be able to unpack it, put it in your refrigerator, and it'll still be fresh. And let me see if there's anything else I wanted to mention. Oh, and then the meals only take 30 minutes. They only take 30 minutes to cook. So instead of having to worry, like the thing I addressed, having to worry about what you're going to make, then go shopping for the ingredients, then come home and make it, it'll already be there. Everything is proportionate for you. And you just, you know, unwrap it or cut the seals or whatever and pour in the ingredients and it's done within 30 minutes. So to me, it's a no-brainer for me. There are a lot of services like this, but Miss Fresh is one of the best. And they also makes them stand out from other people or other services like them is the fact that they not only do they offer meal boxes or like dinner boxes, but they also offer snack boxes and beverage boxes. So it's just a little more variety, like I was trying to say. That's to me that's really what they kill it at is the variety of the recipes, and then a lot of the food is locally sourced. So some options are really regionally specific, which is another thing that I like. And that guarantees freshness a lot of times because it's not traveling across the country to get to you. So that's all I'll say about that. There's a link below this video. Like I said, if you click that link, it takes you to the web page you're seeing on your screen, which is the main page for Miss Fresh. And you can click around and read for yourself or get started because, in my opinion, I think it's worth it. It's a way to eat healthy without having to worry at all. And that's really the hard part of maintaining eating healthy. Of course, there's the price points as well, but it's really the inconvenience of eating healthy that stops us from doing it. And I think that this is a great solution. So thank you guys for watching the video. I won't take up any more of your time, and I hope you find everything you're looking for. All right, have a good one.